Greetings, Airsoft Atlanta TV here, bringing you a product highlight of the Spartan Pistol series. The Spartan Pistol series is going to have a wide range of different models, going from the Hi-Capa 1911 and the M9. All of these are going to be OEM'd by KJW and will have green gas and CO2 compatibilities, the difference being whichever mag you decide to put inside. All of these are going to ship as the green gas model from Airsoft Atlanta though, so the magazines will have to be purchased as an aftermarket purchase. Starting off on the highlights, we're going to look at the 1911. It's going to have your standard KJW green gas magazine that comes with it. Tan model with a rail right there. Pretty much your standard 1911, but if you take a quick look at the bottom, you'll see that the magazine well is adapted for both green gas and for CO2 magazines. Moving on, we're going to have their M9 variant. Standard, pretty much no nonsense M9, with the only trademark really being just a 9mm logo right there, so very bland as far as markings go. Has the tactical grips. Pretty standard operation. This model of M9 has the 14mm threaded barrel and will come with a suppressor when you order. Next model we're going to be looking at is Hi-Capa. Hi-Capa being basically the same workings of the 1911, but it's a double stack magazine, so it has better gas capacity. My favorite one of these actually being the Hi-Capa with the more sporting look, the competition look. Has the flared Magwell for easier reloads, an extended slide release, a longer barrel and slide, more rail space on the bottom, the fiber optic sights and all that, making a really cool jazzed up model of the standard Hi-Capa. And the really cool thing is both of these are the same cost. So all of these are right there at that $100 mark, giving you a very affordable pistol and a wide range to choose from. So if you would like the power to purchase these pistols, well, you know the place, airsoftatlanta.com. Oh yeah, this is double action, that's single action. Oh yeah. That made that outro really cool.